everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to do with my hands or arms, so I will just be waving them around. For all of you who don't know me, my name is Mel and I love to make things. I love crochet, knitting, sewing, and everything that has something to do with creation. Needless to say, I wanted to share some of these things with others, and of course, why not make some money in the process? However, that proved to be a little bit more difficult than initially thought. So here are some of the things that I learned the hard way while having a YouTube channel. I hope that this video is not going to be boring, but I am sure it's going to give you a lot of insight and a lot of information about what to do and what not to do. So first thing, you do not really have to pick a niche unless you already know what you're really passionate about and what you want to talk about or what you want to show to the world. Some people have created massive wealth on nothing. And I'm not saying they did not put in the work or anything, but they did not have any other skill other than being very natural in front of the camera. And if you are natural in front of the camera, kudos to you, do it. What I mean by it's not necessary to pick a niche, you have no idea what the audience will resonate with. So practically, if you start a channel and you want to do makeup and beauty, you can expand that to hair, to nails. You can test different videos. Do not put yourself in a very narrow niche immediately. There are some channels I really love to follow who have started as hair channels, now they're nail channels, because their audience resonated and reacted better to nails. So test a few videos, see what works, what doesn't. Problem number 2. If you decide you want to start a YouTube channel, make sure you have a designated time when you record. Make sure you are consistent. Make sure you want to record and you like to record, either yourself or what you're doing or something else. If you don't like showing up in the videos, that is completely fine. But then you will need to engage your audience in a much better way. Why am I saying this? My videos tend to be boring for the audience. Why? Because they're strictly DIY. I do not talk much about anything else behind the scenes. I don't share personal stuff from my life. I tried a few times, it did not work because I just am not that kind of person. Or maybe I need to open up more. I don't know. Anyway, my videos haven't gotten that many views and likes and comments and everything because they are strictly DIY without my face showing. If you show your face, there is a greater chance that your channel will work better because people will relate more. It's kind of like more personal, you know what I mean? Anyway, you have to have designated time when you're going to record, whether it's going to be every day for like 10-15 minutes or it's going to be 3 times a week for an hour each time. It doesn't matter, as long as you have the consistency of filming and editing. Mind you, when filming, it is not going to be as easy as just press the camera and we are good to go. No. Usually it's going to be, oh my God, this shot is bad. I do not look good. Oh my God, what am I doing with my face? Why is my face like this? Or what is that behind me? Oh my God, is that the toilet behind me? This actually happened to me a few times. So I had to delete the entire video because I did not know how to fix it. Maybe I could have done something with the AI, but I did not want to use AI. Anyway, long story short, consistency is the key. Problem number 3. One of the main problems that I've encountered by myself and a lot of other influencers, I'm not saying I'm an influencer, I do not want to be one. I want to be someone who's going to inspire you to do things or to help you learn how to do these things. And to try to entertain you in the future. This is my goal for 2025, to make my videos more entertaining and more valuable to everyone, not just to the community of DIYers. So to get back to the video, problem number 3 is do not, and I repeat, do not ask your friends and family to subscribe to your channel unless you know 100%, no, what am I saying, 2000% that they will watch your videos. My big issue is that a lot of my friends, once they saw that I had a YouTube channel, or the friends that I told I have YouTube channel, they started subscribing, but they are not active viewers. Like, they don't watch my videos. And this is going to happen to you too, because your family and your friends are not interested in your content most of the time, unless they want to spy you, in which case they're not your friends, they're your enemies. So do yourself a favor and do not tell anyone in your family other than your spouse, maybe brother or sister who you can force to watch your videos. Do not tell anyone else about your work, because this is going to become your work. Having a YouTube channel is not just, oh, I'm just gonna record a few little cute videos. No, it requires preparation. So do not waste that time on people who are going to just subscribe and never watch anything. And why do I say this? Because the more your subscribers watch your videos, the better your videos are going to perform. So you need views, you need watch hours, you need traction. If you don't get traction from your subscribers, yeah, there will be other people watching your videos. And obviously it's going to be bigger number compared to your subscriber list, but you want your subscribers to want to watch your videos. So stay away from friends and family, period. Problem number 4. So when you start your channel, most likely you won't get many views in the first month, sometimes even 2. There are a few lucky people who say it's not luck, but trust me, it is luck, who actually get a lot of views immediately. But even if you're not getting views, do not despair and do not stop. So you need to make these videos from the part of you that wants to make them, not because there is a goal to achieve 1,000 subs. When you achieve 1,000, you need 2,000, then you need 5,000, then you need 10, and then you need 100,000. It never ends. Of course, the more subs you have, the better it's going to be for you, the more traction you're going to get, more comments, more engagement, more everything, and initially, well, not initially, eventually you will get money for it. But at first, you will get nothing. You will invest your time, money, resources, everything. You will get 0 returns. In these moments, you have to stay focused, and you have to stay in that spirit of creation, even if nobody is watching your videos. I know this can be a big blow to the ego, and we all lose faith, we all lose will to do things because, oh, this is not working. Why am I wasting my time? I cannot tell you how much money I spent on fabric, different kinds of fabrics, different kinds of yarn. None of it is cheap. You have to go out and you have to buy stuff, and then you have to spend your valuable time making these things. Luckily, I like to wear these things. Unfortunately, I live in a country where we do not have winter, so I cannot wear a lot of them. For example, some of the items that I cannot wear are my crochet hats because they are just too warm. I started having a headache. Anyway, long story short, make sure that you love creating videos and that no views or small number of views will not affect your energy and your desire to create. Problem number 5. This is the last problem for today, and this is one that a lot of creators are guilty of, and that problem is being perfectionist. If you are a perfectionist, repeat yourself this sentence every single day. Done is better than perfect. One more time. Done is better than perfect. Keep repeating this every single day to yourself, and you'll see the change. You will see the difference. some of my videos, I actually got a lot of hate comments. I don't even know why. I'm not even showing up in the video. I give description, and the fact that I'm not giving you different sizes, it's because I am making this for myself, and I have like a most universal body size, which is M leaning towards S. At moments I do gain weight, and then I lean towards a little kind of L, but let's say more comfy M. So my size is kind of like really universal. Anyway, I get a lot of hate for this, and I deleted those comments, which was stupid. You want more comments, you want any kind of comments, hate comments, all kinds of comments. But because I'm a perfectionist, I tend to spend too much time creating a video, editing the video, and then I don't like it, and then I want to fix it, but then I say to myself, why? This is for free. It's giving someone knowledge, it's giving someone instructions for free, how to do something, how to make something that actually would cost them hundreds of dollars if they decided to go and purchase this from another person. Therefore, I started posting videos that are not perfect in any way, where I don't look perfect, but I'm not here to be perfect. I am here to try to give you some value and to try to connect to some of you who share the same passion as I do. I have many passions, but that's for another video. Anyway, if this video has helped you in any way, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. It really means a lot to the channel. I would really love to be able to make a few bucks from making these videos. However, if that does not happen in the next year or 2 or 3 or 5 or ever, that is also fine. I mean, I'm making videos because I like them. However, it would be nice to see some returns. Needless to say, I have started my Etsy Etsy store. And I will be creating different things that are digital for the Etsy store. And these are going to be digital patterns, written patterns of some of the projects that I shared on this channel, and on some that I haven't shared but I've created in the meantime. So these are not copies of somebody else's work, they're actually my work. Currently I have Jasmine Crochet Heart listed, and a few planners, and these planners actually help me do my work daily and help me stay organized and focused, and I really love them. So if any of you are interested in any of these things, head to my Etsy store. The link will be down in the description box below. And that's it for this video. I hope to see you again. Bye.